Hello, this is Mr. Ayers, and I am going to be talking to you today about Infographic, the design contest. So we have a little design contest here that we're going to be holding for quarter 3. And basically what I'm going to ask of you guys is to create a poster, an infographic of one of the 9 elements of digital safety. So you're going to have to kind of, this is kind of a review, and you're going to have to go back to our digital citizenship, or maybe even into our videos inside of digital safety, to talk about the 9 elements and see what those 9 elements are. And then make a infographic, a graphic that has information on it on one of those elements of digital safety. So in order to do that, you're going to have to choose a software. I have these 5 different steps, videos on how to make an infographic and what makes a good infographic. If you go to Google and search infographic, you'll find infographics on all kinds of things. Basically, what I'm looking for is something that's informative. A poster having charts and graphs and percentages are a huge plus. And then having some creative design regarding it is beneficial too. But there is all kinds of software that you can use it or to create this. You could use Google Draw. In that case, you'd have to go into your apps. You could even use Google Slides and create a slide if you're more familiar with using that. But there's Google Slides. But there's also Google Drawings, which is a really cool way to draw and create infographics using some of these shapes, shape tools, and the text boxes. But basically what we want you to do is we want you to learn how to create a poster or something using these digital tools, and also learn about digital citizenship as you go as well. Okay, and when you're done, you're going to save that just like you did all the other stuff. You can use a screenshot, or you can do the print screen feature. So again, using the snipping tool, you're going to go to search, type snipping tool, there's snipping tool, and then snag your actual poster. Here is where you turn it in, and we're expecting everything to be due by April 13th. Again, if you have any questions regarding the infographic design contest, you can go ahead and click right here and put in your questions, and you can get feedback from the rest of the school on that, and I will be keeping a close eye on that forum as well. All right. Good luck with your infographics, and if you need any help, you know where to find me.